Do you ever feel confused about using modal verbs in English? Don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I will teach you everything you need to know about modal verbs like can, could, may, might, must, should, shall, will, and would. These small but powerful words are essential for expressing possibility, ability, permission, obligation, and much more. Who's this video for? This video is perfect for English learners of all levels who want to master modal verbs and speak more fluently and naturally. Whether you're preparing for exams, improving your grammar, or just trying to sound more confident in English, this lesson will give you the tools you need. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate English learner, this video will make modal verbs easy to understand and use. I will explain the meaning, rules, and differences of each modal verb with examples, so you will feel confident using them in conversations, writing, and more. What you will learn in this video: the meaning and main functions of each modal verb, how to use modal verbs correctly in sentences, differences between similar modal verbs, can versus could, may versus might, real-life examples to help you practice and remember, bonus tips for avoiding common mistakes with modal verbs. Can versus could. It's when you want to talk about abilities, possibilities, and polite requests. For example, I can swim, or could you help me please? May versus might. When you want to express possibilities and make polite requests. For example, it may rain tomorrow, or might I borrow your book? Must versus should. Understand obligation, advice, and necessity. For example, you must wear a helmet, or you should see a doctor. Shall. It's used in formal situation when to use it instead of will. For example, shall we go to the park? Or I shall return tomorrow. Will versus would. When you want to talk about the future, willingness, and hypothetical situations. For example, I will call you tomorrow, or I would travel if I had more money. Which modal verb do you find the most confusing? Let me know in the comments and I will create more videos to help you understand it better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you'll never miss helpful English lessons like this one. Let's master English grammar together.